She was just walking, singing in her own world, unarmed, unthreatening, and undeniably free. But in modern-day America, that freedom can be mistaken for defiance. One officer tried to de-escalate. The other, he brought a fist to a handcuffed woman's face. Her only crime? Refusing to bow her head and stay silent. What you're about to see isn't a misunderstanding. It's a betrayal of public trust, and it's all on camera.
Nothing, just walking along, singing a song all day.
Can you just hang out and talk with me, please?
I'm just singing a song all day.
Okay, are you walking in any traffic, though? Ma'am?
I'm just singing a song all day long.
Try 263, she's walking away from me.
Is there no freedom?
There is, but
I can't walk along and sing a song. See, I have the full volume.
Perfect.
So
well,
I
we get out
can't
of the
walk
roadway,
along.
Though? Not on the road. You know what I mean? So I'm getting told that you're like out in the roadway.
Oh, okay.
Can you stop with me and just talk with me just for a second?
There's no sidewalks.
I know. I get that.
So where do a sidewalk go? Where can I be? Where I can see the full volume, don't you see? So where are the sidewalks? Where am I supposed to be? Where is the mark of the deceived?
You just don't want to walk in the traffic
where?
And get hit by a car.
Well, then where should I be?
Well, where do you live?
There's nowhere for me to be. You don't have no design, no degree.
Well, let's stay out of the roadway, right? You don't want to get hit.
The roadway, okay.
There is, ma'am. What's going on? Where do you live? Ma'am?
If you gave me a sidewalk, I guess I'd have
Could you just sit down for me and talk with me, please? Ma'am? Ma'am, do you have an ID?
I'm just walking, singing a song, dude.
I got you, but you're walking in the roadway.
Well, okay, but there's no sidewalk, is there?
But if you're walking on 287,
there's no sidewalk, is there? I was crossing the road.
Can I give you a ride somewhere?
No, thank you.
Are you from Loveland?
Maybe. The land, the air, the sea, from Oceania to Oceania. I divide this disease.
Okay.
Of the fucking neon green and the greed of the fucking obscene, of the fucking glitter of the hobbs.
That's me.
No, I know.
I got you. Well, I'm here to help you out. What can I do for you?
It doesn't mean they own us, even though they name and label. It's okay.
What can I do for you, man? What can I call you? What's your name?
Angelia.
Angelia? Am I saying that right? Officer Hobbs. My first name's Nick.
Yeah.
Nicholas, yeah. But I go by either one, right? People call me both, so. What can I do to help you out?
Hey, I'm just going to go my way. I'm just going to take a breath.
Sure.
Because I got
can I give you a ride somewhere?
Of the Fifth Element.
Do you think I can give you a ride somewhere?
I don't think so, unless you have a cigarette.
I don't have any cigarettes. So I don't smoke,
I don't think you can help me, and that's a very good deal.
Sorry,
I'm working on that way.
Are you trying to quit smoking? Yeah. Fair enough.
I had a year in.
Okay, I got you.
It's better than a lot of other things.
Well, do you have any kind of identification on you? Just
I already told you.
Just your first name, yeah.
That is my identification.
What's your last name?
Imperialis. Hey, this is the detection of the day of the sway of the pendulum.
What's your last name?
You don't go north today. You keep eating on the sinew that way.
Ma'am.
Wondering.
Where are you going to?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Why do I have to say where I'm going when I'm just walking in a free country singing a song? Full volume.
I got you.
Why can't I do that? Is there no freedom today? Have I been sold out to China this way? Our fucking oil reserves sold out to China, have you heard? Fucking you better call in the PSYOPs. You fucking spy. Fucking don't fucking touch me.
Do you have an ID on you?
Fucking don't touch. Okay. Don't fucking touch me.
Again. Will you cooperate with me?
Don't fucking touch me.
Do you have an ID on you?
Don't fucking touch me.
Are you going to identify yourself?
Don't fucking touch me. I'm just walking, singing a song.
She only told me her first.
Don't fucking touch me.
Don't fight me.
I'm just fucking walking along.
You were being detained.
I have no freedom to walk in this land.
Do you have an ID on you?
Fuck you.
Do you have an ID on you?
I'm just walking. Okay. What have I done wrong? Let go of me.
Multiple times.
No, I'm not. I'm walking through.
Now, But it took us a minute to get here.
I'm fucking walking
Multiple people
through.
called in. Are you willing to work with me?
Oh well, I'm walking through. Get your hands fucking off of
And
me.
at this point, you're being detained.
Get off of me for
Place your
what
hands behind your
reason?
back.
You fucking diseased fucking shit seeds. Fuck you. Fucking no freedom left. Fucking nomadic Indian pieces of shit.
We can send you the video of her in the middle of the street at all for evidence.
If you can, yeah. Let me give you my card, and I have my info on there. You can just send it to my email.
Yeah, like straight
It'd
up.
probably come from both of us because there were two separate occasions.
TR? Okay.
I think you've already felt me over you, bit.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets that I missed?
Oh, you fucking have to fill again. Go ahead. I like it down the pussy, down the crack, up the asshole. However you want to fucking fuck it. Fucking
Can you move your feet apart for me?
loser. Fuck you. You don't know what I would like, nor
Would
do
you
you
like a
care,
chair?
you fucking asshole. Fucking glare of the
We're gonna need to take that
dare.
paper in your hand as well,
Fuck
okay?
you. Hey, that's my song, my
It
volume.
is your song, yep.
Yeah, so fuck you.
What song is it?
Hey, it's my song, not yours. You wouldn't know of it. You fucking.
I don't know, I've got some
fucking
hipster cred, I
5G.
feel.
Well, when I walk down the street and I can't sing a
Thank you.
song, I don't think you guys are very nice either. You fucking little piece of shit. Fucking go long since you're asking Angelia. You don't fucking speak for me, you Margarado fucking piece of shit.
Okay, let's watch
She
the
said
language.
Angelia, you piece of
Angelia,
shit.
I will not tolerate that language.
Well, I will tell you, I'm not tolerating that I can't walk down the street. Hey, fucking give it back to me, you
It's
fucking
gonna
piece
it
of
has to
shit.
go with your property.
Hey, I can have it.
Angelia.
Why can't I have a piece of
Because they have
paper?
policies here. You
Then
can't have your
fucking take my pants off too. Take my shirt off. Give me my piece of paper.
Angelia.
Why can't I have it?
Angelia, these
Hey.
people are
Fucking
trying to
piece
help
of
you.
shit. Why can't
Angelia.
I have the paper, you piece of shit?
Angelia.
Fuck you, enjoy the fifth element.
Hey.
You wouldn't even know, you
Angelia.
fucking swine piece of shit.
If you continue to
So I'll
behave
tell you
this
what
way,
brings me in here today.
do
I
not
was
sit
walking
and do
down
not
the
get-
street,
I will not
and
tolerate
these
that.
fuckers
gonna
did.
help you.
Fuck you. Fuck
This
you.
will go a lot smoother if you
Fucking
could
don't
just-
even fucking
You
touch
tried to
me,
kick
you
me,
piece
I'm
of
going to
shit.
fight back.
Really, you fucking handcuffed me, you asswipe fucking bitch. Fucking give me my paper back.
I'm not.
Yeah, see how he instigates? Fucking
Can you
win.
speak to me then if you don't like him? Don't spit. Oh,
Fucking
hey,
piece of
Maranto, chill.
shit. See what he does?
Back off.
See what he does?
Back off.
Fucking hits me. Fucking hits me. I want fucking video of that. I want fucking video of that.
Just sit down.
I want fucking video of that asswipe. I want video of that. I want video of that. He fucking punched me in the face.
Damn, sit
I have
down,
my
man.
handcuffs. I can't even fight back against that rust. Fucking, I want a fucking name. I want a fucking name. I'm taking him down. I fucking have my hands cuffed. I can't even fight back. To fucking fight back.
Sit
Is
down.
this
Hey,
liberty?
it's okay.
Is this
He's
what
not
you
in
call
here
fucking
anymore.
justice?
Okay.
How can he just fucking sucker punch me? I was cooperating with everybody. You guys wouldn't cooperate with me. I was just walking along, singing a song. And when it's 55 degrees, finally nice. You guys don't like my song. You don't like the truth. Fuck you. You punch me in the face when my arms are
No, I did
behind
not.
my back.
No, I did not.
Fuck you. Yes, you did.
No, I
Not
didn't.
you. Your
Correct.
fucking fellow officer. Fucking right in the fucking face.
Turn on camera, yeah?
No.
No?
Okay.
Tell me what happened.
Was trying to talk to her and she ultimately just spit in the direction of the nurse staff and it hit the floor. Still verbally and uncooperative, trying to get info out of her. Staff was like, you know what, I'm not dealing with her. We're leaving the room. She's very uncooperative at this point. So she's yelling and Maranto's standing in front of her. She spits at her.
Struck while handcuffed, mocked in a hospital room, and then charged while the officer walked free. 3 days later, they fired him, not for justice, but for damage control. No apology, no restitution, just another day where mental illness met law enforcement. and only one left with dignity intact. The badge says, "Serve and protect," but today it failed. You decide, was this accountability or just cleanup after brutality?